Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and power source. This prevents loss and interruptions. First, back up your documents, photos, and any app data to an external drive or cloud. Next, confirm your HP model and Windows license so drivers and activation return smoothly. Then plug the laptop into AC power. Once done, create a Windows 10 recovery USB using Microsoft's Media Creation tool. This gives you a clean installer and recovery options when the built-in tools fail. Now you run the actual reset. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, and click Reset this PC. This is the quickest route. Choose Keep My Files to preserve personal data, or Remove Everything for a full factory-style wipe. Follow prompts to remove apps and reinstall Windows. Make sure to select Local Reinstall or Cloud Download depending on your internet. If the built-in reset fails or Windows won't boot, reboot and boot from your USB recovery drive to perform a clean install instead. Finish by installing drivers and updates so hardware performs correctly. Use HP Support Assistant or download specific drivers from HP's site. This restores audio, Wi-Fi, and power management. Then copy your backed up files back and confirm Windows activation under Settings. If something goes wrong, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files. Check BIOS/UEFI boot order for the correct drive and retry the recovery USB. If persistent errors occur, contact HP support with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.